Tired of those premium features and ready to simplify? We'll show you how to cancel your Widgetable Premium subscription right now. First, open the Widgetable app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. From your profile page, locate and tap on the My Premium option. Here, you'll see the details of your current premium subscription. Tap on the Manage button. This will typically redirect you to your device's App Store subscription management page, like the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. On this page, find Widgetable listed among your subscriptions and then tap Cancel Subscription. You will be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Tap Confirm to finalize the process. And that's it. Your Widgetable Premium subscription is now successfully canceled, preventing any further charges. Remember, you might retain premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. Now you know how to effectively manage your Widgetable subscriptions.